Today I'll walk you through how to create a blog with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your blog so you can share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. This is your starting point, much like the blank canvas for an artist. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, look for the New button. This is where you begin crafting your blog. Think of it as the door to your new creative space. Click on it to proceed. Now select Page. This will create a new page for your blog. Imagine this page is the first chapter of your book, ready to be filled with your unique content. After that, click on Templates. Here, you will find various options to help you design your blog. It's like browsing through a bookstore, searching for the perfect cover for your story. Next, navigate to the Notion Marketplace and click on Templates again. This is where you can explore a wider range of templates available for your blog. Now, in the search box, type in blog. This will filter the templates specifically for blogging. Think of this as searching for a specific genre in a library. Once you see the results, click on your desired template. This is where your vision starts to take shape as you choose the design that resonates with you. After selecting a template, click on plus add. This action will add the template to your workspace, just like adding a new book to your collection. Now, you will see the personal blog post template on your list. Click on it to open the template. This is where the magic happens as you prepare to fill it with your thoughts. Finally, modify your template based on how you want it to look and what content you want to include in your blog. This is your opportunity to personalize it, making it truly yours. And there you have it. You've successfully created a blog with Notion. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.